So my family actually has a wood burner that we use, or a pellet stove, and they come with these big, heavy pellet bags full of wood that you pour into the pellet stove, and they're really heavy, and one or two once in a while isn't a big deal, but when you're moving dozens of them like all winter long, it's a huge pain in the butt. So we got an Amazon foldable trolley truck. It's like a cart with wheels that you can push the lever down, fold it down, you keep it underneath a bed. This is how thin it actually gets, which is wonderful. You can keep it under your coffee table, under your bed, just out of sight, out of mind, folds up into the corner, but then you just open the handle, put a few bags of pellets on here, and you can wheel it over to the stove, or you can wheel it from the garage, or you can wheel it from wherever you're keeping your things that you need to be moving around. But it just makes it way more convenient to move heavy things. And if you don't need like a huge dolly in your house, like a big construction dolly, something like this is really great. It works pretty well. It comes with kind of a non-stick surface so that things don't slide off of it, but it's really rugged. It's well put together. We've put a lot of weight on this thing and it's held up pretty well for us. So if you are looking to move things around and you don't want to actually carry them, you need a little bit of assistance, this is something that we use and that I would definitely recommend.